This is a video to cover updating basic client information. A common question is, as I receive new documentation from a client, or the client revisits some of their old information, how do I go in and update their Social Security number or correct something from previous sessions? We have logged into Client Track and you can see that we're on the home page. So now we need to get to the client page known as the Client Workspace. We click the Home box, a floating menu pops up showing Home, Clients, and some other workspaces that are not of interest for this task. We will click on the Clients tab. This will always show the very last client that we viewed. In this instance, the client that we want to update is showing on the screen. The name is Joe Johnson. We realize that his first name is not Joe, but Joseph, and we had entered the wrong birth date and we need to update the Social Security number. To do so, from the client's dashboard, there is the blank profile picture, and right above that is a line that says Joe Johnson's information. If we click here on Joe Johnson's information, this brings us to the basic client information screen. Here we can make changes to all the fields. So instead of Joe, we will change the first name to Joseph, and for the middle name, we'll add that, and it's Jeff. Additionally, we want to change the Social Security number as Joe had reported it incorrectly. Also the birth date, since that was incorrect as well. So we change that to 1980 instead of 1974, for example. Instead of typing the date, you could actually use the calendar. You can scroll forward a year, or you can scroll forward a month, or scroll forward several years like this. You can also change their veteran status. If they have some sort of disabling status, such as a chronic health problem, HIV/AIDS, or a substance abuse issue. Additionally, there's gender, ethnicity, and race. Further down on this screen, you have items that you can change or update, such as the address, their contact information here if you had an appropriate telephone number. Additionally, if they've signed a consent and release, or if you find out their primary language is not English, you could also change that here. Then click Finish to save. Red starred fields must be completed. Then click Finish. This will take you back to the client dashboard. And here you will see we have updated Joseph's information from Joe to Joseph. We've added the middle name. We've updated their birth date to the correct year. If you wanted to go in and confirm the changes, you can go back to Joe Johnson's information and confirm those changes are made. That concludes this basic instruction on updating client information in Client Track.